art integration project. Acknowledgement. I am glad by doing this project as I get much knowledge and information from this, and it was fun to make this using technology. It is very helpful project to know everything about Chhattisgarh. So for that I would like to thank NCRT for this project. Then I would like to thank my teacher and my life guide Shri H.K. Gavit sir for guiding me towards right direction for completing this project, and I also thank him for knowing me the importance of this project. At last but not least, I thank to my parents for cooperation during this project. Again, I would like to thank everyone helped me directly or indirectly during this project. Under EBSB, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat were collaborated for knowing their traditions properly and knowing their heritage. This is the position of Chhattisgarh, India. In India, you can see here. As I am a traveling lover, so I have made a project on famous visiting places in Chhattisgarh. Hope you will like my project. BARNAWAPARA Wildlife Sanctuary. If you are a nature lover like me, you will definitely like to go here. This BARNAWAPARA is situated in northern part of Masamunda district. The wildlife sanctuary was established during 1976 on a huge area of 245 square kilometers. The sanctuary is a huge hit and ranks the 7th position in popular attractions of Raipur. It's so huge and I will definitely like to visit this. Shri Rajiv Lochan Mandir. If you are a holy person, I mean you like in the old heritage or you believe in gods, you can definitely visit this kind of temple. Rajiv Lochan Mandir literally means the beautiful one eyes and represent Lord Vishnu. The temple depicts significantly the example of architecture of Mahakoshala. Next we have Danteshwari Temple. This is also for a holy person. The Warangal ancestral deity of the Chalukya kings got established as Danteshwari near the congregation of Dakini River and Shankini River, and hence the place was named as Danteshwari. Here next we have a nature lover. I am also a nature lover and I would like this kind of waterfalls. Here we have Chitrakot Waterfalls. The water of rivers Indravati flows from the Vindhu mountain range to form the Chitrakot Waterfall, often called as India's Niagara Falls. It's top attraction and largest waterfall of India, and it is great to visit during the rainy season. Here we have Rajiv Smriti Park, built in memory of former Prime Minister L.T. Rajiv Gandhi. This place is a unique ex-situ conservation site built over a huge area of 14 acres. This one was developed to create public awareness towards conservation of nature. Yes, this is very important in current time. A rare heritage property is this Mahashloka Art Gallery. This art gallery showcases all the artwork of the local people that will also host a number of art exhibitions. Here we have Purkhauti Muktagan. Purkhauti Muktagan is developed by the Cultural Department of Chhattisgarh government and it is spread over a huge 18 hectares of land. Wow, this takes a whole day for visiting. It exhibits the entire natural resource with existing industry and infrastructures. Bibliography. I have taken all this information from a single site, which is triofila.com. You can see here and you can know about many more visiting places from this website. Thank you. Hope you like my project.